1952 milligrams TD. Price, $13,500. Location, Phoenix. The 1952 milligrams TD is a true symbol of classic British automotive charm, finished in the elegant Old English white paired with a striking red interior that instantly captures attention. This car represents a golden era when driving was all about feel, connection, and simplicity. With matching numbers and authentic details, it offers a genuine vintage experience that continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world. The exterior design is unmistakably iconic, featuring the signature vertical grille, rounded fenders, and tasteful chrome accents that define MG's heritage. The rear hinge doors add a unique vintage touch, while the black convertible soft top and tonneau cover provide both practicality and style. Sitting on 15-inch disc-style steel wheels wrapped in classic tires, the car maintains a period-correct look that feels like stepping back in time. The heart of this milligram TD is its XPAG 1.250 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Equipped with dual SU carburetors, the engine delivers a smooth yet responsive driving experience. It's not about raw speed, but about the joy of driving, feeling every shift, every curve, and every moment on the road in a way modern cars often can't replicate. The interior continues the vintage story with a driver-focused layout featuring Jaeger or Lucas instrumentation and a beautiful banjo-style 3-spoke steering wheel. Details like the analog clock, glove box, and map pockets add to its authenticity, while the seating and side curtains remind you that this car was built in a different era, one where simplicity met elegance in perfect harmony. The milligram TD also marked a significant step forward in engineering with its independent front suspension, improving ride comfort and handling compared to earlier models. Combined with its lightweight construction, this car offers a surprisingly agile and enjoyable driving experience, especially on scenic roads where it truly comes alive. The 1952 milligrams TD is more than just a classic car, it's a piece of living history. Whether you're a collector or someone looking to experience the pure joy of vintage motoring, this milligram delivers character, style, and an unforgettable driving feel. If you appreciate timeless design and authentic driving pleasure, this is a car that deserves your attention.